Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect CarPlay in your Nissan Rogue. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, confirm your iPhone is unlocked and updated to at least iOS 7.1 for full CarPlay functionality. Then, find the USB data port in your Nissan Rogue, which is usually located in the center console or near the dashboard. This port is essential for establishing a reliable connection between your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system. Now, let's connect your iPhone. It's crucial to use a high-quality, certified Apple Lightning to USB cable to ensure a stable and uninterrupted connection. Plug one end of this cable securely into your iPhone and the other end into the USB data port in your Nissan Rogue. Once connected, your Nissan Connect infotainment display should automatically detect your device and present a prompt asking you to enable CarPlay. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Once prompted on your Nissan Connect screen, select Yes or Enable to activate CarPlay. Your iPhone might also display a message asking for permissions, such as allowing Siri to access your car's microphone. Grant these permissions to ensure full functionality. After these steps, CarPlay will launch, transforming your vehicle's display into a familiar interface with your favorite iPhone apps, including Maps, Music, and Messages, all optimized for driving. With CarPlay now active, you can enjoy a wide range of features designed to enhance your driving experience. Use Apple Maps or other compatible navigation apps for turn-by-turn directions displayed clearly on your screen. Make hands-free calls and send messages safely by simply using Siri voice commands. You can also access your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks, all played through your Nissan Rogue sound system, keeping your focus on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.